Once people start discovering your content, the next thing you need to understand is the numbers behind your first revenue milestone. Because making $10,000 online is usually much simpler than you think. So many creators think they need a huge audience before they can make any meaningful money online. They think they need thousands of subscribers before selling anything. This is only true if you try and sell a low ticket product. Revenue doesn't come from likes. There are only two variables that you need to worry about. It's your customers and your price. If you want to make $10,000 on YouTube, you need to work out how many sales it takes to reach that number. If you go for the low ticket option and your product costs $10, you need 1,000 sales to make $10,000. If your product costs $100, you only need 100 sales to reach $10,000. And if your product costs $1,000, then you only need 10 sales to reach $10,000. Can you see why a high ticket product makes more sense? Suddenly, the problem becomes much simpler to solve. You don't need millions of views. You just need the right offer and the right number of customers. And when you can start thinking about it this way, it becomes much easier to see that making your first $10,000 online is actually achievable with a small YouTube channel. If you're ready to make your first $10,000 on YouTube and you want my help, then you can book a discovery call with me. I'll leave a link for you in the description down below.